Want to get the most out of Murf AI and create professional quality voiceovers with confidence? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the key features and best practices that will help you master Murf AI in 2026. First, sign into your Murf AI account and spend a few minutes exploring the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the project list, voice library, editor, and export options. Knowing where everything is will make your workflow much faster. Create a new project and start with a well-written script. Organize your content into smaller sections, use clear punctuation, and keep your sentences natural. A strong script is one of the biggest factors in creating realistic AI voiceovers. Next, experiment with different AI voices to find the best match for your content. Preview multiple options, then fine-tune your narration by adjusting the speaking speed, adding pauses, or improving pronunciation where those features are available. Before exporting, always generate a preview and listen carefully from beginning to end. Look for any words that sound unnatural, sections that move too quickly, or areas that need smoother transitions. Making small edits before exporting can greatly improve the final result. The best way to master Murf AI is through regular practice. So try creating voiceovers for tutorials, podcasts, presentations, advertisements, or social media videos. Working on different types of projects will help you understand which voices and settings work best for each style, and that's how you can master Murf AI in 2026. The more you experiment with scripts, voices, and editing tools, the more polished your voiceovers will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.